Hey guys, Hayden here again from Alarm Systems Store, and today I am showing you guys how to link accounts on alarm.com. So it's pretty simple. I have to show this on the computer though because the app does not allow you to screen capture in certain areas, especially login information, because that's classified. But the only difference between the computer and the app is that on the computer, to get to the area we need to be in, you click settings and then go to login information here. On the app, I'll put a picture on the screen, but there is a menu that pops up on the left side like this one, and the login information is directly on that menu. So it's actually easier to get to on an app than it is a computer, but that way I've got both covered so you guys know how to get there. But basically, we're just going to this login information page. So click on that, and then this shows your current login information, and you can reset your password, security question, and all that nonsense. But what we're looking for is down at the bottom where it says link a system. So you're going to click on that, and then it shows the current system that you are logged into. So this is my IQ2 Plus demo system. So that's the only one it shows here. But if I wanted to add another login for a different system, you click add, and then it already populated my other account. But basically my other account login is my email, and that is for my office account here. So once you have that put in, login and password, you'll click next, and then it shows you or asks you if you want to confirm that you want to link the systems, and we do. But first, this checkbox here is pretty important. If you click this checkbox, what it's going to do is delete the other logins. So if I click this checkbox, my Hayden at Alarm Systems Store email login is going to be deleted. So I will only be able to access alarm.com using my Hey IQ2 Plus login name. So if you plan on having your systems linked indefinitely, it's not a bad idea to do that. But I need to keep mine separate, so I'm not going to click it. But once you have decided what you're going to do, you will click confirm, and then it will take you to this page. And now you can see I have both the IQ2 demo system as well as my Alarm System Store office account under one login. Alternately, if I have them linked and I did want to separate them again for whatever reason, this little trash can over here, if you click on that, it's going to ask you if you want to delete your other linked system. So now my Hey IQ2 Plus login will not be able to access the Alarm System Store office. And if you're sure, click confirm. And now it's back to just letting me see the IQ2 Plus from this login. One thing to note about linking systems is whichever account you link from, that needs to become your main account. So like if I linked this system to the office account, if I logged into the office account, I would not be able to see the IQ2 Plus system. I would only be able to see the office account system. So whenever you link accounts, if you don't delete your other login, keep in mind that if you do happen to log in using the other systems login, you won't have access to both systems. You have to sign into the one that you linked to be able to see both systems. So with that said, I hope all of you out there that need to link systems enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. You guys know what to do, and I will catch you guys on the next one.